And today, Utah's first fetal surgery patient was reunited with the doctors who performed a life-changing surgery to correct her spinal bifida. A team of doctors, her parents, and a smiling Abigail sharing the journey. Photojournalist Tracy Smith has the sights and sounds of that reunion.
When you get pregnant, your mind starts to envision what that's going to look like in the future. You know, crawling, walking, saying her first word, babbling. All these milestones, and then that just gets shattered. It was hard. I spent probably a week and a half just crying because there's so many unknowns with this diagnosis. We met with all the team, the complete team. Yeah, Dr. Bolo, Dr. Fenton, Dr. Byrne.
When we first found out about her diagnosis, I was very scared, and I went down the dark hole, and then I was encouraged with Dr. Byrne and everybody. It's going to be okay. We have an amazing team to get this done.
To do something like this is not a small undertaking. In order to do it, it also takes a large team. It is a collaboration with our colleagues at the University of Utah.
Spina bifida is where that tube didn't roll up all the way at the bottom. If we close it early, you can develop the ability to absorb spinal fluid, and it decreases the risk of hydrocephalus.
I wasn't scared, actually. It wasn't until I got into the OR room and I felt like, woo, you know, like a bunch of people watching you, and I was just like, oh wow, this is like a really big thing. Okay, yeah.
With fetal surgery, double the number of kids walk compared to having surgery after birth.
She's defying, you know, my expectations and just showing me every day that she's so strong and resilient and determined and very stubborn, just like me.
It blows me away. It's why I do this job and why taking care of kids is such an honor.
She is my baby, and God gave me her for a reason. And that's what we said the whole beginning, huh? I love you.
So sweet. Well, the new Fetal Surgery Center is part of Intermountain Healthcare's primary promise to create the nation's model health system for children. And Abigail Smile says they may be off to a great start.